In this video, we will learn how to group and ungroup data in pivot table. So let's start this in my Excel sheet. I have here some data. So I'm going to insert first pivot table, then I group and ungroup data. So let's see how it's done. First, select the full data, press the Ctrl plus A, go to the Insert tab, click on the Pivot Table option, click on the From Table or Range option. Here, range is automatically selected. Click on the New Worksheet and click on OK. Then here I selected the order date and selected the product ID, category and profit. I just enter here the profit word. Then I drag it in value. Okay. Here you see pivot table is ready. Here you see the yearly wise data is grouped in 2014, 15, 16 and 17. This plus sign show you that this data is in group. If you want to ungroup this data, just select the first cell and go to the pivot table analysis and click on the ungroup option. When you click on the ungroup option, here you see all data is ungrouped. All product ID and categories is showing. If you want to back again, click on the Control Z. Now we see the group selection. Here in group the yearly basis. If you want to group in monthly basis and in other options, so you can select it. The first select the first cell, then go to the pivot table analysis, click on the group selection option. Here you see one dialog box. Here is already selected month, quarter and year. So I deselect all three options and select only month and click on OK. Now here you see monthly group data is showing here. When you click on this minus sign to group data, this month data is grouped. If you want to click group again, the Feb data is group. March data is group. This is a way you can change your group selection also and group your data and ungroup your data different way. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.